What if I told you the richest investor in American history didn't use fancy algorithms, didn't day trade, and didn't chase the hottest stocks? Warren Buffett turned a struggling textile company into a wealth machine. From 1965 through 2025, Berkshire Hathaway generated a total return of over 5.5 million%, compounding at roughly 19.9% annually, nearly double the S&P 500's 10.4% over the same period. And he did it with just a handful of rules that any regular person can follow. Let's break them down. Investor Mintrel number 1. Never lose money. Buffett's most famous rule number 1. Never lose money. Rule number 2. Never forget rule number 1. Now, obviously, every investor takes losses sometimes. What Buffett means is that protecting your capital is always the priority. A 30% drop in your portfolio requires a 43% gain just to break even. A 50% drop? You need a 100% gain to recover. That's the math behind this rule, and it's why investors who panic and sell at the bottom rarely catch back up. Most people focus on how much they can make. Buffett focuses first on how much he cannot afford to lose. That shift in mindset alone separates average investors from great ones. Rule number 1. Investing 24/7 Wall Street. Rule number 2. Only invest in what you understand. One of Buffett's core principles is to invest only in businesses he can fully understand. He avoids complexity and fashionable trends, favoring clarity over cleverness. When the dot-com bubble was exploding in the late 1990s, everyone was throwing money at internet companies. Buffett passed. He said he didn't understand how they made money. The bubble burst in 2000, wiping out trillions. Buffett looked like a genius not because he predicted the crash, but because he simply stayed inside what he calls his circle of competence. Coca-Cola, Apple, American Express. Businesses with clear, understandable revenue models. If you can't explain in one sentence how a company makes its money, Buffett would tell you to skip it. Investing, rule number 3. Buy great businesses and hold them forever. Buffett once said, if you aren't willing to own a stock for 10 years, don't even think about owning it for 10 minutes. This isn't just a quote, it's the engine behind his entire fortune. His greatest attribute, according to financial analysts, is not superior intelligence or perfect timing. It's patience avoiding market predictions and instead taking the long view by identifying quality businesses with strong fundamentals. He also talks about economic moats, a lasting competitive advantage that protects a company's returns over time. Think about Coca-Cola's global brand, or Apple's ecosystem. Businesses with wide moats don't just survive, they compound wealth year after year. That's the game Buffett plays. Trading 212 plus 2 rule number 4. Let compound interest do the heavy lifting. Here's a stat that will blow your mind. $1,000 invested in Berkshire Hathaway in 1965 would be worth over $55 million today. Not because Buffett made risky bets, but because he earned consistent returns and reinvested them year after year, decade after decade. Compounding is boring. It doesn't make headlines, but it is the single most powerful wealth-building force that exists, and Buffett figured that out early. He started investing at age 11. By the time most people are thinking about the stock market, Buffett had already been compounding for decades. Investor Mintrel number 5. Be greedy when others are fearful. This idea comes directly from Buffett's 2004 shareholder letter. During market downturns, prices fall more than fundamentals actually justify, and that creates long-term buying opportunities for disciplined investors. When the 2008 financial crisis hit, most people were running for the exit. Buffett invested billions into Goldman Sachs and General Electric on extremely favorable terms. When COVID crashed the market in March 2020, patient investors who bought and made extraordinary returns within 2 years. The market rewards people who can keep their emotions in check when everyone else is losing their mind. Mezzarowers, the bottom line. Buffett's rules aren't complicated. Never lose money. Invest in what you understand. Buy great businesses and hold them. Let compounding work. And buy when others are scared. These 5 rules, applied consistently over time, turned an 11-year-old paper boy from Omaha into one of the greatest wealth creators in history. You don't need to be a genius. You need to be disciplined. Start today, stay patient, and let time do the rest. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more real money strategies every week, and comment below which Buffett rule you're going to apply first. See you in the next one.